Hey guys, back on Amtrack. What I used to do, literally, is you ride along here at night going home, you look out, and you look in the windows, and you see the lights on, and you think about, I mean it sincerely, I think about what's going on at that kitchen table. What are people thinking about? What are their real worries? And I've made over, they actually calculated this, 8,200 round trips, over 2,100,000 miles on Amtrack. 259 miles round trip a day. Not every day, but average 217 days a year. And this is my family, and this is why I wanted to go home the way I came.
Full circle.
Full circle. Just, going home to Delaware, the people I owe.
Ladies and gentlemen, just a few moments we will be arriving. Joseph R. Biden Jr. Station, which is in Wilmington, Delaware.
Hey folks, how are you? Good to be home.